It's never too late to make sure your teen files a tax return to get her money that is rightly hers back to her or him. I can't believe how many people say they shouldn't do it because they're filing because they're being claimed as dependents by their parents. No, 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 don't do that. So here we're going to look at the IRS announces 2019 tax rates and standard deductions amount and more. This is from November 2018. We're just going to scroll down to the most important thing here, and we'll share us. Ready? Hold on just a second. Right here. This for in 2019, the standard deduction amount for an individual who may be claimed as a dependent. So I am claiming my daughter as a dependent. She is a teen. She worked part-time. She is a dependent on my tax return. The standard deduction amount for her cannot exceed the greater of $1,100 or the sum of $350 and the individual's earned income, not to exceed the regular standard deduction. All right, so the regular standard deduction is $12,200 in 2019. So she is being declaimed as a dependent. That means anything she makes up to $12,200, she does not have to pay tax on, because that will wipe the mat clean from taxable income. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll bring up her tax. Oops, hold on a sec. I'll bring this guy up. There we go. Maybe it's already have that up. Hold on, where'd it go? All right, so here you go. So here's her. We just did this. Took all 5 minutes on TurboTax last night. It's free because she has, the TurboTax files it for free. Basis a 1040 EZ, the old 1040 EZ. So cost her nothing to do. Took her all maybe 10 minutes of putting stuff in. So here's her wages. All right, that's what she made as working part-time last year, $2,900. And that scrolls down to her total income, $2,900. She had no other forms of income. Here's her AGI. Line 7 is your AGI, $2,911. That's her AGI. So total income, wages equals total income. In this case, equals AGI. But her standard deduction is $3,261. Why? How can that be? Well, we take $2,911, take our trusty calculator plus $350. That gives us $3,261. We scroll down here to line 10, and that is her taxable income is a big fat zero. No taxable income, because her standard deduction limits all of her earned income, so she has none from a taxable income perspective. But how much federal income tax was withheld? $184. She had $184 withheld from the federal taxes because they automatically withhold in your when they do your W-2. All right. And how much is her total payments to the feds? $184. And how much then will she get back? $184. Why? Let's go back to it again. Because the standard deduction for an individual who may be claimed as a dependent by another taxpayer cannot exceed the greater of $1,100 or the sum of $350 and the individual's earned income, not to exceed the regular standard deduction amount. So her earned income is $2,900 at $350 that. Thus, her taxable income is zero because the standard deduction is $350 higher than her earned income. That's it. So no reason not to file. Let's just say again, you're watching this April 16th. You're like, man, we just lost $184 for your own teen, or maybe $500. Just file a late return, do an amendment. However you got to do it, just file. It's your money, man. I don't know what the penalty would be. I have no idea. TurboTax might charge you $50. I don't know. But if your teen filed, my goodness, this is your money. Get it. On top of that, my daughter's going to get $84 from the state of Georgia too. So she's going to get $300 roughly of refunds back of taxes she paid that she didn't have to pay. And as she's taking a trip overseas with a school for her, rising sophomore class, that's $300 she can spend overseas. So take advantage of the tax code. Take advantage of the tax code. This does not affect my ability to write her off. Nothing like that. I still claim her as an exemption, but she had earned income, but she has no taxable income. Thus, she gets all the money that was withheld back. File, even if it's late, file. Please get that money back. All right, we'll see you.